What is up, guys, and welcome to Creative Readers, etc. The channel where I do creative things that sometimes involve reading, etc. It has been a hot minute since I've been able to say that. I apologize if you hear any clanking and clamoring. That is my kitten. Speaking of kittens, you have not met my cat. This is Nymphadora. She's so cute and I love her. She does have to wear a cone right now because she just got spayed because she's just a little baby. She's a wee lass, but that's okay. She's so sweet, very cuddly, and likes to mess with my cords. So if you do hear banging, that is what that is. Anywho, we are going to be cleaning, reorganizing, and redecorating my desk. I really want to redo my entire room because it's purple and it's a little outdated because I painted it in 6th grade. I didn't paint it. My father painted it, but I chose the color in 6th grade. And clearly, I am no longer in 6th grade. I would very much like to switch it up, get a new vibe, but I'm moving out in 5 months for college anyway, so I don't think it's worth wasting the time, effort, and money that it would take to do that. Instead, I shall settle for my desk because that is where I spend the majority of my time anyway. And you guys get to come on this journey with me. Also, yes, I am very much aware that my board does still say Mary Chrysler. I have not changed it. It takes a lot of effort to teach. And I've been very busy lately, but it's fine because it's got a smiley face, so you know it means well. So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
You see here, kid, you gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after or what came before. might think, what if I fall? Well, what if you don't? What if you fly?
So then, if you see, on the other hand, that existence is musical in nature, that is to say that it is not serious, it is a play. So the best conductors would be those who played fastest. And there would be composers who wrote only finales. People go to a concert just to hear one crashing chord, because that's the end. Spot in the room.